Hey beauties, it's me, Allegra. Dolls, I thought I would pop in today and share something I am so obsessed with. I truly am. I am obsessed with nails. If you had seen my Pinterest board, you would truly not believe it. It's just like thousands of pictures of all different kinds of nails, all the colors, the nail art, the gems, the crystals, the caviar, oh my god guys, I'm so obsessed. So with that being said, I thought I would just share some of my personal favorite nail products that I have been using for years, and I absolutely love them. Whether you want natural nails, acrylic nails, press-on nails, your girl has got you. I have tried them all and I love them all. I love all different styles. I'm the type of person, I love natural, and then sometimes I switch it up and I like, you know, uber glam, like super long acrylics. You know, I like to play and have fun. So I thought I would share with you guys some natural options and all different kinds of stuff. So let me get right into it guys and show you some of my favorite nail products, and I will start with natural nails first, since why not? So one of my absolute favorite nail products is this DEBORAH LIPPMANN Cuticle Remover. And this might sound boring, but this is actually unbelievable. It is so amazing how it makes your nails look. That could not be more exciting. There is zero boring involved when you see how your nails come out after using this product. And this product is about $20. Usually I do purchase it at Sephora, but I've tried so hard. I've tried to purchase so many different dupes, and I can't find anything that compares to this. I've purchased all different ones at Sally's, all different ones that look similar, and they just don't work. I don't know what is in this product, but it is phenomenal. It's beyond amazing, and nothing compares to it, unfortunately, because sometimes I like to just pop into the beauty supply store and get something and they don't have it there, and everything that I've tried just never works. But this is just amazing. What you do is you just put a little bit all around your cuticle area, and you just leave it on for about 2 minutes, and then you take your cuticle pusher. I like to use a wooden kind of pusher. Some people use metal, but I like these wood ones. And then you just push your cuticles back. You make little circular motions, and what it's doing, it's cleansing your nail bed. It's also removing, you know, your excess cuticles. It's just very, very gently, you know, it's just giving your nails just such an incredible look. And what this does as well is it's cleansing your nail bed. So when you apply any kind of fake nails, if you want to go in with fake nails, if you want to do press-on nails, acrylic nails, it just makes them adhere so much better, so they last super long. So that is amazing. But not only that, doing this also makes your nails grow really fast. So it gives you just an amazing nail bed shape, and you make your nails just look amazing. And like I said, it makes your nails grow longer, faster. It's really amazing. I don't know why, but I guess it's like trimming your hair. You're just taking off the dead ends and then it grows faster. And what could be better than that? So whether I'm doing natural nails, acrylic nails, or press-on nails, I always use this before I do my nails, because like I said, it just makes the other products that you put on after just work so much better. So keeping with the natural nail theme, I thought I would just share my favorite nail polish. Okay, where did it go guys? So my actual all-time favorite nail polish is this one from OPI. It's from the Hello Kitty collection. It's called OPI. It's called Let's Be Friends. So I could not love this more. I'm wearing it here in this picture. I'll just insert a picture because I'm not sure if you could see from here, but I just feel like this is the most perfect kind of nude shade for your nails. It's white, but then it has a hint of a pink in it, so it's not stark white. I just think this is the most perfect, especially if you like white nails. It's the most perfect, in my opinion, the most perfect white ever, because it's just stunning. It's not too white, like I said, and oh my god, I love it so much. So that is, like I said, from the OPI Hello Kitty collection. And then this is a total life changer. And I know a lot of you beauties will say that, I've mentioned this before, and you guys say you love it too, and it's the Ceviche, so hard to say, Ceviche Vitae. Guys, this is amazing. It just dries in seconds. So whether you're doing, even when I do different nail kind of things, I'll show you guys later, but not only does it make your polish dry in a minute, it actually makes, you know, any other types of nail art work really good. So, but you know what I do is I do my nails, and then I put on a coat of this. I wait like 1 or 2 minutes, and then you just put a little bit of nail oil on your nails, or you can put any oil. Actually, I do use like a body oil, and then they're totally dry, so it's amazing. Definitely don't forget to put the oil on. I'll link an oil down below that I just love. I use it on my body, I use it on my hair, my even on my, you know, under my eyes very gently. It's an organic, made in the USA, sweet almond oil, so I use that on my nails too, and it is amazing. So that's pretty much my steps that I'll use when I'm doing, well, even when I'm doing these are acrylic, so when I paint my acrylic nails I also do those same steps. So let me keep it moving, guys, and just show you quickly. Now, I know a lot of you guys also are so obsessed with the Kiss press-on nails, and how flippin' amazing are these. I truly can't believe how long they last. It's crazy. They just last forever. They look so gorgeous. Their nail glue is phenomenal, and all of the designs that they have are just so beautiful. I love the Gel Fantasy line. I've tried so many from their line though, and I love every single one, every single pair that I've tried. So I could not recommend these more, but definitely before you put on these artificial, you know, glue press-on nails, just put some clean your nail bed with some alcohol first. If you could push your cuticles back first, that'll be amazing, because you just want to kind of clean your nail bed before you put them on, so this way it will last super long for you. And then I always do kind of carry the glue with me too, because sometimes one will pop off like after 4 or 5 days. So it's just good if you could keep the nail glue like in your makeup bag or in a little kind of compartment, because sometimes they kind of get all over, you know, they don't stay that good. But this one actually stays amazing. This one I keep it in my purse and I have never had an issue. Their nail glue, so the Kiss nail glue is phenomenal. Actually, you will use that with a lot of different stuff, different nails, even different press-on nails. I always use my Kiss glue because it is the best in my opinion. It's just phenomenal. So keeping it moving really quick, guys, I just wanted to show you these. I know I had spoken about these before, but these are the Dashing Diva nail gloss. These are nail stickers. Oh my god, I love these so much. I can't even begin to tell you how. The sparkle ones are my absolute favorite. And then the ones where they have kind of like nail art, like these ones have kind of like a marble effect. These are just so stunning. The regular color I don't really use that much, to be honest, but their nail art ones are amazing. And like I was saying before, I do use my Ceviche top coat. I'll put one of these gloss stickers on, the Dashing Diva stickers, and then I go over it with the top coat, and you kind of cap off the top too, so you put it not just on your nails on the over the sticker, but cap off the top too. I have a video about it, I'll link it below, but it just makes the stickers stay so much better for you. So these glitter ones, I mean, they looked exactly, when I do these on my nails, they look exactly like when I had them done from a nail artist, and it was like $200. I'm not even joking. They came out looking just like that. So and they kind of have an ombre effect, so they look so beautiful. They kind of like flow out, and they're just not basic. They're just so gorgeous. So I could not love these Dashing Diva nail stickers more. This one has like a marbleized one. I like to paint my nails, and then sometimes I'll just do these for like an accent nail with the nail art. That's what I really like to do with these. But I also think those are really great for kids. I know a lot of little ones like to get their nails done, and these are a lot of fun because they're just stickers. There's no chemicals involved, so you know, it's just fun if you want to put them on your little one that wants their nails done. You could just put it on, and then, you know, it's just a fun little thing you could do for like an at-home manicure, at-home nails. And there's no scent or anything. There's no chemicals. So, you know, but if you could go over it with the top coat, that'd be the best thing. They'll last super long. So, and this is just very minimal, but scents, you know what I mean? So anyway, guys, I'm just gonna finally reveal to you guys my big moment. I'm so happy about this because I personally do love acrylic nails, and I've always had to go to the salon to get them done. They're so pricey. They usually wind up costing me like $150, and I wound up doing press-on nails. I'll link them below. They're kind of press-on coffin nails that I picked up on Amazon. And so I put those on with the Kiss nail glue, and they were amazing. But I gotta tell you the God's honest truth, the acrylic nails last forever. So I really wanted to learn how to do acrylic nails because they just don't come off. So after, you know, at first I didn't mind when the Kiss ones pop off here and there, but after a while I got a little over it, you know. So I wanted to start doing acrylic nails, and I feel that I have finally mastered it. I'm so happy because I tried so many different products to do acrylics at home. And guys, I'm so happy because I tried all different acrylic powders and monomer liquids and all kinds of liquids, and I finally got the perfect combination. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I've been using to do my acrylics. They're totally, oh my god, actually they're amazing. They're not chunky. Sometimes I would get my nails done, they would come out lumpy from the salon, and I'd be like, what the F is that? There'd be lumps. These are so smooth. I wish you could see them. I'm gonna try to put a picture so you guys can see them up close because they're so smooth. They're so, you know, they're thin. I like when they look thin and not chunky and lumpy like sometimes they would do it at the actual salon. But anyway, what I've been using, guys, I gotta show you real quick. But I've been using the Mia Secret acrylic nail system. It is amazing. I saw a video about it on YouTube, but I watch a lot of videos and only one girl had recommended this. And I thought after I watched her video, I would try it. I ordered it on Amazon. It is amazing. So I got the Mia Secret pink acrylic powder and the liquid monomer. And it's so easy to do. It really is. I mean, I'll link her video below. I'll try to find the video that I watched where she used this. And then I got these nail brushes also on Amazon. Everything I get is pretty much from Amazon for the nail art and the acrylic nails. And so you just take a brush like this and you just make one small 2 beads, it's called. You just make, you'll see, guys. I'll try to show you. Well, if you want me to do a tutorial, I definitely will. It's really easy. I couldn't believe it once I really got into it, and I was like, girl, this is easy. And I do it now like 1 2 3. So when next time I need my nails filled, and I just did these, I'll come back and I'll do a tutorial if you guys want, and I'll show you how I do it at home because it's crazy easy. So I bought these 2 on Amazon, and you just make a little common, you know, they're called beads, and put 1 or 2 beads, and then you file it out and you polish them, and then you're left with, these have not come off. And I tried a few different acrylic powders and they weren't staying and it wasn't working out. But since I used this Mia Secret line, oh my god. And actually also you have to use this first. So this is also amazing. This is a protein bond. This is from Young Nails. So first you put this on and then you put on the acrylic powder. So actually, if you guys, like I said, if you want me to do a video, I will, because I'm really passionate about it. I love it. I'm saving so much money. Plus, who can get out of the house anymore? So all the nail salons are, you know, unfortunately, but hopefully things will be back to normal soon. But if you want to save money, definitely don't open your windows if you're going to do acrylic at home, because it's not really healthy at all to breathe in these fumes. And that's why a lot of times you'll see the nail artists cover their face with a mask. So it's really not healthy to breathe in the acrylic, you know, scent. But I just open the windows and things like that. But I'll do, like I said, I'll show you guys another day if you want. So I know I had showed you this, guys, too, before, and this is my square nail clipper. I absolutely love this. So when you cut your nails, they come out the perfect square shape. Super huge. I think I showed you guys all of this before, but I don't think I pretty much showed you everything, but I never had shown you how might be a secret. So, and my favorite OPI nail polish. So there's a few new things here, but anyway, it's all good. So I just wanted to come and say hi, guys. I think that's pretty much everything I was going to show you. This is such a great nail file. You got to get a really good nail file. It's so huge. It makes the world of difference, really. It's unbelievable how much the nail file makes the hugest difference. And this one is from Dashing Diva, so I'm not sure though if it's available online, but that one's amazing. But I'll link everything below if you guys are interested. I know a lot of people are asking for acetone, so I'll link that down below as well too. But that's pretty much it, guys. So let me know how you guys feel about doing your nail at home nail art. I'm obsessed. So can I tell you guys too, I just wanted to share with you, but these also make great eyeshadow brushes. I'm not even joking. Doing detail eye looks, these brushes are amazing. So like I said, I'll link everything below because it's so much fun to, I think it's fun to do your nails at home, especially when they come out looking just like you want, you know. So that's pretty much it, guys. I love you all so much. I hope you're all doing amazing. Stay safe, stay positive, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.